So today I am going to go over how to make your own dishwasher detergent for your dishwasher. So what you're going to need is you're going to need 3 ingredients, or you're going to need 4 ingredients. You're going to need some borax, you're going to need some washing soda, and I use the Arm & Hammer super washing soda. You're going to need some sort of kosher salt, and then you're also going to need citric acid. Citric acid you can find just about almost all hardware stores within the section where they have all their canning supplies at. You can find it at Walmart, Menards, Fleet Farm, just about anywhere. So what you're going to do is you're going to need 1 cup of the super washing soda. You're going to need 1 cup of the borax. You will need half a cup of kosher salt. From what I've read and heard, the kosher salt, the reason why they put that in there is because it does this actual scrubbing of the items in your dishwasher. And then you are going to need citric acid, half a cup of that also. Now, I've heard many different variations of this recipe, all about the same 4 ingredients. I've also heard of some people actually putting in like lemon Kool-Aid into it, because these 4 ingredients here, they do okay on a first couple of washes. After that, I noticed that our dishes started coming out not clean and spotty and whatnot. So I add another ingredient into it. We mix all this together. The other ingredient that I add is I add 3 cups of our normal dishwasher detergent. We use 7th generation. It's a little more expensive. You can use whatever you want, but I found that by adding this to it, it actually cleans a lot better than just using the borax, super washing soda, kosher salt, and the citric acid, and it actually even works a lot better than the 7th generation stuff does by itself also. And this just kind of makes like a nice, better dishwasher detergent. And it'll take your normal dishwasher detergent and make it go a lot further. And I'll actually wind up getting, later on, I'll do the figure out how much it costs per load. That will be in the description of the video on how much, what the cost per load is. I'll do the cost per load with just the borax, washing soda, citric acid, and the kosher salt, and I'll do the cost per load while adding in the 7th generation. The one thing we kind of like about this one is that it's free of dyes and bleaches and whatnot, so it doesn't harm the dishes. And my wife had said that with the other stuff, since everything's mostly lemon scented, that everything came out tasting kind of funny. So we quit using that and just went to this one, so it's kind of clean of everything. So that's basically how you make your own dishwasher detergent. Like I said, it lasts a lot longer than just buying it from the store, and it seems to clean a lot better when we do it this way.